Hi, Drastele, everyone. So today here I'm teaching the question words. Okay. So first one is kane in English, from where. Okay. And then second one is ketu, when. And third one is kare, what. Okay. So I will teach with the examples. So kane, from where. See here. 걔랑 가네 yin. Where are you from? And then nga pöne yin. I'm from Tibet. Okay. And then ketu, when. Okay. So example. 걔랑 ketu 용키인. When will you come? Okay. nga 상인 용키인. I will come tomorrow. Okay, the next one, kare, what? Di karere, what is this? Okay. Di nyukure, this is pen. Okay, so next one is kapar, where. Okay, and then kaki, which. And then su, who. Okay, so first one, kapar, where. 걔랑 가봐요. Where are you? Okay. nga 낭라요. I am in home. I'm in home. Okay. And then next one is kaki. Which one? Which. Okay. And then question, example is here. 걔랑 탭 가기래. Which one is your book? Okay. 니 탭 디래. So this is my book, or my book is this. Okay. And then 수. So 수 means who, right? 콩 수래. Who is he or she? Okay. 콩니 정모래. She is my friends. Okay. Okay, thank you. And then see you in next video. Okay.